Okay, so here we are, Stats and Mechanics Year 1, Chapter 9, Question 6. A particle is moving along the x-axis with a constant d acceleration of 2.5 meters a second at a time t equals 0 seconds. P passes the origin. So here's P at time equals 0. With a velocity of 20 meters a second, so it is doing 20 meters a second in the direction of x increasing, but it is de-accelerating at 2.5 meters a second. Okay, at time equals 12 seconds, P is at point A. So if we have point A down here somewhere, okay, then that is t equals 12. P is at point A. Find distance OA. Okay, so distance of OA. So let's put this into suvat for it. Okay, so A so distance we don't know, initial speed was 20, final speed we don't know, acceleration is going to be minus 2.5 and time is 12. We're looking for something with S but no V, so we will use S equals UT plus a half AT squared. Okay, so S equals 20 times 12 plus a half times minus 2.5 times 12 squared. Okay, S equals, where's the calculator? 20 times 12, 240. 12 squared, 144. Halved, 72, multiplied by 2.5 is 180, and that's minus 180. So 240 take away 180 gives us 60 meters. Okay. Right then, now let's have a look at part B. Part B. So that was the distance OA. The total distance P travels in 12 seconds. Well, your first thought is that maybe this is 60 meters. Okay, the distance OA, but now we're looking for the total distance P travels in 12 seconds. So we need to think about what's happened. As it's come through here, has it actually got to the point of stopping or not? So what's actually looks like it has happened is that this particle P has travelled along the x-axis and it has got to some sort of point up here where it has turned around and it has now come back to A. Okay, because it would have got to the point of 0 and then it would have come back on itself. So if we do suvat between these 2 points, we know that the final velocity here will be equal to 0. So let's do suvat between the origin and the point past A to the point that it got to 0. So at that point we have got We've still got a distance that we don't know, an initial speed of 20, okay, final speed of 0, an acceleration still of minus 2.5, and time, well, it was 12 seconds to this point, so we're not quite sure on that. So if we do an S equation which has no t in it, okay, we would have v squared equals u squared plus 2as. Okay, and so we have 0 squared equals 20 squared plus 2 times minus 2.5 s. Alright, so minus 400 for the 20 squared, moved over to the other side, equals s, and 2 times 2.5 is 5, so divided by 5, so that is a distance of 400 divided by 5 is 80. That's a minus 5 actually, so which is good since it's a distance. So we have a total distance of 80 meters from there to there. So the total distance p travels in 12 seconds is actually going to be the 60 meters up to point A, and then the 20 meters to the point it stops, plus the 20 meters back to the point A, which gives us a total of 100 meters. Okay, and very weirdly, I think they could word that question a lot better, and hopefully would in the exam. Okay.